I'm supposed to kiss your feet, your hands. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Welcome. Hey.
Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now the Jamaica Reggae Girlz will have a big encounter against world champions USA, the mighty USA, in their second encounter in Group A at the CONCACAF Women's Championship. But before we get into this video, I want to take time out to congratulate the girls. Tremendous win against the Mexicans in Mexico. Bonnie Shaw with the winner in the 8th minute, and we have 1 foot on the plane to the World Cup. 1 foot on the plane, but still a lot of hard work to go. We're very proud of the girls. They're doing well, very organized. Lauren Donaldson, his first game in charge, did well as well. So big up to Lauren Donaldson. Now we have 2 chances to really get those points necessary for World Cup qualification. Up next, the mighty USA, followed by Caribbean neighbors Haiti. After the vital victory against the Mexicans, Khadija Bonnie Shaw, our captain, had this to say: "It's always good to win the game, especially in this atmosphere. We knew it was going to be hard, it was going to take a team effort, and I'm so proud of the girls, and we got the job done at the end of the night. I think once we concentrated and locked in, we threw them off their game and we stuck to the task. At the end of the day, we are the winners." Big up Bonnie Shaw. Okay, let's go into the series history. USA versus Jamaica. Thursday's match in Monterrey will be the 5th meeting all time between the USA and Jamaica, and the 4th in a CONCACAF qualifying match. The USA has won each of the 4 previous meetings between the sides by shutout, the most recent of which came on June 13, 2021, during the Women's National Summer Series friendlies. That match resulted in a 4-0 victory for the USA team in Houston, Texas, behind first-half goals from Carly Lloyd, Lindsey Horan, and Midge Perch. Alex Morgan added an insurance tally in the second-half stoppage time of what was her 110th career goal. The most recent clash in CONCACAF qualifying came during the 2018 World Cup qualification campaign, when the USA team defeated Jamaica 6-0 on October 14, 2018 in Frisco, Texas. Victory, which came in the semi-final round of the tournament, qualified the Americans for the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup in France. Morgan and Heath both tallied braces in the win, and Julie Ertz and Megan Rapinoe also found the back of the net in the victory over the Reggae Girlz. Jamaica and the USA also squared off in World Cup qualifying in 1994, a 10-0 victory for the Americans in Montreal, Canada, and in Olympic qualifying in 2008, 6-0 for the USA team in Mexico. So basically, we've seen 5 games in which the USA team dominated Jamaica. 4 of them shutout, clean sheet. We haven't found the back of the net against them, so it's definitely going to be a difficult game. Definitely don't have them winning this game. USA will definitely run the table. I think this USA team will definitely run the table and pick up 9 points. They will also beat Mexico as well, so which is good for us, you know, in terms of finishing in the top 2. This is how the table looks. As you can see, Group A is led by the USA, coming off a 3-0 victory against Haiti, plus 3 goal difference. Jamaica sits in second, winning 1-0 against the host side Mexico. So Jamaica also have 3 points. Mexico 0 points, Haiti 0 points. The second game will feature Mexico against Haiti and USA versus Jamaica. Okay, let's hear what our very good friend Christopher Zidane Matthews, sports journalist at KLS Omega, has to say about this big game.
USA versus Jamaica, female World Cup qualifier, CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. It's going to be definitely a tough game for the Reggae Girlz. They showed some character, they showed some quality, lots of quality, lots of potential in that game against Mexico. And the fact that they haven't played a lot of good competitive games leading up to this, that was a good game for them to have. So physically they should be in a better place come USA. But remember, we're talking about the defending World Cup champions. We're talking about one of, if not the greatest football playing nation in terms of women's football. So you expect them to win. The important thing is that you may never know in sports, you may never know if there will be an upset. That upset could come Mexico against USA. So we have to ensure that we don't concede a lot of goals even if we're going to lose. So we have to make it as tough as possible on the Americans. We have to be in their face. We have to be physical with them. We have to frustrate them. So for me, just lessen the scoreline as much as possible, because we're still not quite at that level yet. So you still expect logically that the Americans will win, but we have to do all we can to make the score as minimal as possible. So then we have our destiny in our own hands pretty much come the final game against Haiti. USA should win. We can be dangerous, you may never know, but just in case there's an upset, Mexico versus USA, then we need to ensure that the goal difference is not bad for us.
Okay fans, you heard the views of Zidane. Very, very interesting. He also agrees with me, but you know, you can go over there and follow him. He also has a YouTube channel, the Zidane Matthews Show. Go over there, drop a like, subscribe, tell him that Eddy Vision sent you over there. Okay guys, big analyst, check him out. Okay people, you heard the stats, you know what we're up against. Let me know in the comment section if you think that Jamaica, the Reggae Girlz, can pull this off. Can we get a point? Can we get all 3 points? Do you believe in the Reggae Girlz? Do you believe in Lauren Donaldson? Drop those comments in the comment section below. We want to qualify, as I said before, 1 foot on the plane. Let's get another foot on the plane, okay? Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.